Today's featured car of the day is a 1966 Rambler American 440 convertible. And this one's a pretty rare model. They only made 2,092 of them in 1966, convertibles, that is. They also had the upscale Rogue convertible, which was above this model, but somebody made a nice little hot rod out of this one, and they put a V8 into it. I'm not sure if it's a 290 or a 343 or a 390, but I'm sure it runs pretty good, I'm sure. And they put a B&M floor shifter in it as well to go with the bucket seats, the reclining bucket seats that Rambler had in 1966. But I filmed this one at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California, and it definitely caught your eye, that's for sure, being bright red with the red interior. And it also had the Rebel Machine wheels on it, I noticed, that were from 1970. But these cars were small, but they were fast when they had the V8 in them, as the Hearst Scramblers that they had in 1969 attested to. With the 390 and a 4-speed, they kept up nicely with most of the muscle cars back then. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1966 Rambler American 440 convertible. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.